Hello friends, welcome. Today we want to talk about a very important topic together. I can say this is an amazing video that might actually change your skincare routine completely. Have you ever wondered why, despite all the care we give our skin, keeping it clean, applying all kinds of masks, using different creams, even expensive ones, anti-wrinkle, lifting, and so on, we do all these things, but we still don't feel our skin is getting younger? Year after year, we notice subtle lines forming on our foreheads. The smile lines around our lips become more noticeable, and the wrinkles around our eyes seem to be increasing. Even though we do all this, it feels like these products do nothing at all. We just waste money on creams, and the things written on the packaging, anti-wrinkle, this and that, never really happen in practice on our skin. What is the real reason for this? Are we using these products incorrectly, or are these products simply ineffective? One of the reasons is that depending on the type and condition of each of our skin, if the products we use don't have any effect on our skin, it means we need to take a step further than what we're currently doing. At this stage, many people turn to skin clinics, get Botox, fillers, or undergo various skin surgeries to visibly see and feel a change. But is there anything else aside from injections and surgical procedures that can truly and noticeably show us that something has happened to our skin? The short answer and good news is yes, there is. Stay with me and I'll tell you about something that has for many years worked like a miracle for the skin. It rejuvenates, eliminates wrinkles, reduces acne, makes the skin clearer and brighter, hydrates, reduces blemishes, gets rid of acne, removes sunburns and the dark spots caused by sun exposure, and overall, what does it do? It makes us look completely different from the skin and condition we currently have. I even have some good news for those friends who are fed up with their large and open pores. What I'm about to introduce to you will significantly minimize, shrink, or even completely eliminate your pores if they're large, and that is none other than Retin A. Retin A, or retinol, or retinoil to put it simply, is basically a form of vitamin A. If we want to go into a very specialized explanation about Retin A, retinol, and not retinols, what each one is and what they do, that's beyond the scope of this video. So let's focus on what's actually useful for you and me and how to use it. So let's get to retinol. What is retinol and how does it really bring about all these changes to the skin? So what exactly is retinol? The entire skin of the face is made up of many layers. This is the outer layer of our facial skin, and we also have several inner and deeper layers. We know that the deeper layers of our skin are constantly producing new skin cells, which gradually move up to the upper layers of the skin and eventually reach the surface. The dead skin layer then sheds and disappears, and the new skin cells take its place. This is actually the skin renewal process that happens in all humans. Generally, this skin renewal occurs on the face every 30 days, but as we age, or if we don't take good care of our facial skin or our health, this skin renewal process slows down. So, what does retinol do when we use it? Retinol, as its name suggests, is for the skin renewal process. It happens faster, meaning that in about 12 to 21 days, it both accelerates the production of new, youthful skin cells and speeds up the skin renewal process on our skin. It helps the balanced and necessary oils for our skin to be produced regularly and continuously under the skin, takes the skin out of an inflamed state, and helps eliminate spots and acne on the skin's surface because the new skin cells replace them and prevent new spots or acne from forming. It clears the pores of any impurities and minimizes them, and in some cases completely removes them. If you have spots or dullness caused by sun exposure, all of that will go away. Overall, it makes the skin younger, clearer, and more radiant. And because it accelerates collagen production in the deeper layers of the skin, it helps reduce wrinkles, making the face look firmer and more lifted. Now let's get to who can use it and how it should be used. Friends, if you are at an age or your skin condition is such that you have deep wrinkles on your face, my recommendation is to see a dermatologist and ask them to prescribe retinol for you, because they can prescribe stronger retinols that have a greater effect on deep wrinkles. So for people with very deep wrinkles, it's recommended to use a higher dose of retinol, which you can only get with a prescription from the pharmacy. You can't just buy it over the counter. But if your skin condition is such that you only have some fine lines starting to appear, or when you move your facial muscles you see some wrinkles and feel like your skin is about to start wrinkling, or if you have issues like spots, acne, large pores, skin discoloration, or some sagging, you can use the over-the-counter retinols that are sold without prescription. The best age to start using retinol is from 25 years old and up, and if your skin doesn't really have wrinkles. If you don't have sagging or any issues yet, using retinol will prevent any wrinkles from forming on your skin at all. There's a very important point I need to tell you about using retinol, and that is this product will only work on your skin, and you'll only see its results with your own eyes if you use it consistently. It shouldn't be that you use it once, then forget about it, then maybe use it again after a week or so. If you use it like that, you won't get any results. You need to use this product regularly according to a schedule you set, and give it between 2 weeks to 2 months to see noticeable results. There are some very important points you need to know before using retinol, which I want to share here. First, when using retinol, you must be consistent and regular. Another important point is that you should only use retinol at night. Applying retinol to your face during the day is not recommended at all. While using retinol, remember that your facial skin becomes much more sensitive to sunlight, and if you plan to go outside during the day or be exposed to sunlight, make sure to apply sunscreen with SPF 50 to your skin. If you don't do this, your skin will definitely develop sunspots, get acne, and exactly the issues you're trying to avoid will come back to your skin. So when using retinol, even if you're going out on a cloudy day, make sure to apply SPF 50 sunscreen to your skin. This is a very important point. When you use retinol, if you are a beginner and just starting to use this product, under no circumstances should you exfoliate, scrub, or use strong exfoliating masks on your skin in the first few months. This is because retinol itself does all of these things for you, and since your skin becomes more sensitive when you apply retinol, especially for beginners, it's not recommended to do anything else to your skin. Please pay close attention. For beginners, it's very important to start using this ingredient gradually, because it can make your skin sensitive and initially cause dryness. If you are a beginner, it's best to use it little by little so your skin can get used to it, and then you can increase the dosage. What retinol does at first when you introduce it to your skin is that your skin needs to get used to it and to this new routine. At first, your skin might become dry, red, or start peeling. This is completely normal, and in fact, you should be happy if you see these signs on your face, because it shows that the retinol is working. But don't worry, your skin is just shedding and getting ready for a new, youthful layer. So keep going. This is totally normal. You might even feel like your skin looks older for a while, but that's normal. Again, if you're a beginner, for example, you can use retinol 2 nights a week and give your skin a break for 1 night, then use it again for another 2 nights. You need to see how your skin reacts to retinol. Everyone's skin is different. First, use it and observe your skin's reaction, then plan how often you want to use it. If you don't have any problems, you can use it every night. One of the really good products I've found and personally used is one I want to introduce to you. Its size is really good and large for the price, and it actually won an award for one of the best products of 2020. It's organic and natural. I'll also leave the online purchase link for you. Friends, this product is an organic retinol serum. You can see it's natural and organic. and it's been extremely effective on my skin. I'm using it and it's amazing. The size is 100 milliliters, which is a lot for a serum. I'll leave the purchase link for this serum for you. To start, use the serum depending on how your skin reacts. Friends, you can apply this serum to all parts of your face, even around your eyes. You can also choose to use a retinol eye cream, which I use. This eye cream contains 2.5% retinol, which I'm currently using. I'll also put the online purchase link for this cream in the description of this video so you can buy it. I really felt it made a difference. At first it dried out my skin and the area around my eyes, but now I feel my skin is really improving. I honestly feel that when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks much better. I highly recommend that if you're really looking for something to reduce wrinkles on your skin, whether as a cream or serum, this is definitely something you should invest in and use. Now for how to use it, first, make sure you've thoroughly washed your face with a facial cleanser and dried it completely so your skin is clean and dry. Then, pump 2 doses of the retinol serum onto your hand and fingertips and spread it all over your face, massaging upwards. You can also apply this serum around your eyes, massaging upwards so the serum is fully absorbed and nothing remains on your skin. If you're using a retinol eye cream, after the serum is absorbed, apply the eye cream around your eyes and gently tap it in with your fingers. Then, using the moisturizer you normally use, apply it to your skin and massage upwards so the cream is fully absorbed. That's it. This video was an introduction to retinol. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of new, interesting, and even strange things I want to share with you. Until the next videos,